Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple wreath bow. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, I've already cut it, lay it down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I have this really great patriotic ribbon. This is from our patriotic ribbon kit. About 24 inches, and we're just going to scrunch this down. And then we have our red, and I've already dovetailed the ends to make it really easy, and we're just going to lay all these. So these all come in the patriotic ribbon kit. Now I'm going to take our star spangled ribbon, and we're just going to twist it. I'm going to fold it back. And if you wouldn't mind, if you go to the links below, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. And we have a lot more projects at our Bowdabra blog. So we have literally hundreds and hundreds of projects. So now with this ribbon, it's our tribute ribbon. And because it's got the flags going straight across, I want to make sure that my flags will be correct when I finish my bow. So I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to take the center and put the right side down so the top of my flag is on the top. And then what I'm going to do is come around and again take the right side of my flag and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to bring this over here. So we're going to now take the other piece and bring this around, take the right side again and just scrunch that down. Then I'm going to take my lower loop, and you can see I'm just going to like scrunch that down in here, and I'm just sort of pinching it in the center. I'm going to do the exact same thing here because that way now my flags are all going in the correct direction. Then I have this really cool Patriotic Rose that I bought as a whole bunch at Walmart, and I just thought that would be a really cool addition here. So I'm going to just take my wand and give everything a good scrunch. You can see this is just so simple. And I'm going to bring this back up, pull this through my center, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out, and separate the ends, and bring it around to the back, and just tie a knot. And that's what I love about the bow wire, is you can twist it or you can tie a knot. And then what I'll do here is just bring down my tails, and let's just sort of puff out the bow by bringing my loops in opposite directions. And this is a wired ribbon, which makes it really easy to shape. And now you have this beautiful bow that can be used as table decor or on a wreath, or really on a really nice gift, patriotic gift. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.